Adoma, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Hyundai, please help me subscribe to my channel. Click that bell notification so every time I have a new video, you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2021 Hyundai Elantra 1.8. So right now, we have airbag codes. So these two are related to the clock spring. You can see the airbag light is present right there. This code is for the passenger seat, which is the pad on the seat. So if you want to fix that code, you're gonna have to replace the pad, the airbag sensor pad on the seat, or you can buy the whole seat, put it in. Now for these two, it's the clock spring. Now to remove the steering wheel clock spring, you're gonna disconnect your negative terminal on the battery, and then the clock spring here, I bought it OEM from Hyundai. That's the part number right there. This is the whole clock spring. Now to get the airbag out, on the side here, there's a nipple where you can press on it. Use a flathead screwdriver, press on it, and then that way it will pop out. There you go. You can see it popped out a little bit. And then on the bottom, same thing. You're gonna, there you go. And then same thing on the right side. I'm gonna put my screwdriver in, and then just gonna press it. There you go. And it pops out like that. And then for the connector, this is the horn connector. There you go. Put your flathead in, unlock it, unlock it. Remember, when you put it back, it's blue to blue and then yellow to yellow. There you go. There you go. Get the airbag out. If you guys wondering the part number, I'm not sure if that's the part number or that one. There you go. If you need the airbag, that's the part number. And then before you remove the steering wheel nut, make sure you guys mark it with whiteout or Sharpie, so when you put it back, you don't want to over tighten it. Now for this connector, you're gonna press on this tab right here, pull, and then you can see I use whiteout. I marked the steering wheel nut with the column, so when I put it back, I don't want to over tighten it. It's a 21 millimeter. There you go. Okay, so I'm gonna have the steering wheel nut back a little bit, and then I'm just gonna kind of hit it all around the steering wheel and kind of yank it a little bit until it gets loose. There you go, it's loose. And then one more thing, before you take the whole steering wheel out, make sure I'm gonna wipe the I'm gonna mark the steering wheel with the column. Same thing, I'm gonna mark it down here, so that way when I put it back, it's straight center. A white mark on the steering wheel already. Take it out. There you go. And then once you take out the steering wheel, there's 3 screws holding onto the cover. 2 right here, 1 on the bottom, and that way you can separate it out. And then for the clock spring, press on the lock right here. Press on it. 1 right here. And press on this one. There you go. Pop it out. And then you're gonna get the connector out. Press on the white tab, pull, and then same thing on this one. On the lock, press, pull. There you go. got your whole clock spring out. Put in my new one. There you go, snap it in. Reconnect the connector. There you go. Reconnect my connector on this side. Oh, there you go. Everything is locked. Put the cover back. Don't remove this pin yet. Now I got the cover in. I got the steering wheel back on. Remove the lock. Reconnect my connector. There you go. Put back my make sure you guys align the mark that you guys made on the steering wheel with the column. Put back my steering wheel nut. There you go. It's aligned, slightly over a bit, but that's good enough. And then just reconnect the two connector and then the horn wire. So put back my horn wire, put in my yellow to yellow, blue to blue, lock it, make sure it sits all the way down. There you go. And then just pop it back in. There you go. That's good. And then reconnect your negative terminal on the battery. I'm gonna key on. I'm gonna show you guys the code again one more time. Let's see if the airbag turns off itself. Yep, it turns off itself. But I'm gonna check out the code one more time. So those are the codes right there. Now I'm gonna clear it. There you go. Turn it off, turn it back on. So make sure you guys check out everything. Check out the horn. It works. So fully turning left. Fully turning right. There you go. And then back to the center. So that is it for this video, guys. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But Noma, I'm out. Peace.